Today, we'll be familiarizing you with ordering signature stamps. Begin by choosing Services. In the drop-down, select Print and Copy. Here, you'll find all of our different stamps and printing services. Scroll down to Custom Stamp Tile and select it. Choose the signature stamp tile by clicking Shop Now. First, determine if you need a self-inking stamp or a pre-ink stamp. There are many different options to choose from for signature stamps. Before you begin, take a moment to put your signature on a sheet of paper similar in size to what you'll be signing. A thin black line pen or fine-tip Sharpie on plain white paper will produce the best results. Then, measure your signature's width and height. Once you determine the size you need, choose a stamp with similar dimensions. Click the Customize button. Once you choose your product, you have options on your stamp layout. First, delete the information in the text box. Next, choose Upload. Upload your signature. Choose your file. Click on Preview. This will prompt you to crop out the white space. Auto Crop will do it for you. Be sure the signature fills up the amount of space you'd like it to take up on the stamp. Choose your color and click Apply. Click on Next. If you'd like, you can email a proof by entering the information here. You can also choose a PDF proof, which can be shared as well. Once you pick Accept and Print, it will be added to your cart. Next, accept and approve your artwork. It is very important that your stamp looks exactly as you'd like it to be. The way it appears on this screen is exactly as it will appear when it is delivered. This will add it to the cart. From here, click Next to check out. If you would like to create a new signature stamp, you can click Start Fresh to upload a new file. Thank you so much for choosing ODP.